Hi guys, how are you all doing? Welcome back. So today we are going to be making delicious shawarma together. So guys, let's get started. So here are some of the ingredients I'm going to be using. I have chicken breast, the bread, sausages, carrots, cabbage and bama. So first we are going to cut the chicken breast into tiny pieces, just the way you are seeing. And guys, if today is your first time here, thanks for clicking on this video. My name is Lisa. Welcome to my kitchen. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on your bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a video. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch. I really do appreciate you all. Please keep liking, commenting, and keep sharing. So guys, once we are done cutting the chicken into the pieces, I'm going to be seasoning the chicken. So I'm using curry powder, chili powder, garlic and ginger powder, seasoning and chicken seasoning. So I'm just going to rub it all over. Then I'm going to allow it to marinate for 30 minutes. So once we are done with it, I'm going to set it aside. So here I have my already chopped cabbage and carrots. I'm going to set it aside as well. So into my clean pan, I sprinkle some vegetable oil all over. So we are going to be frying the chicken. So at this point, we are done with the chicken. I'm going to take it off the heat, okay? So next is to toast the hot dog. I'm just going to allow this to toast for about 5 to 8 minutes, and we are going to take it out. So at this point, we are done with the hot dog. I'm just going to take it off the heat and set aside as well. So the next thing is to start to cut the chicken into tiny pieces. So once we are done cutting the chicken into tiny pieces, I'm going to set it aside. So next, I'm going to bring out a bowl. I'm going to be adding some ketchup. Just add the quantity that you want. So after adding the ketchup, I'm going to add in some mayonnaise. So once I'm done adding the mayonnaise, I'm going to be adding a little bit of chili pepper. So after adding the chili pepper, I'm going to mix together. I'm going to mix well until everything is nicely combined. So now this is what we are going to be working with. So I bring out another bowl, then I went in with the chopped cabbage and carrots. So after adding everything into the bowl, I'm going to be adding my shredded chicken. So I'll go in with the mix ketchup and mayonnaise. So after adding it, I'm going to mix well until everything is well combined. So now it's time to wrap our shawarma. I'm using this flour bread. You can use any wrap that you want, that you prefer. So I'm going to be making of this one. So after placing the wrap on the clean surface, the next thing is to go in with the fillings. So I'm going to be adding the fillings just the way you are seeing on this video. Then after arranging the filling, I'm going to be adding in one hot dog. So I'm just going to wrap it. I'm going to wrap it gently so that the bread will not scatter. So what I did here is to use some mayonnaise to rub the edge of the bread so that it will just stick to the shawarma. So guys, that's it. I'm just going to wrap my shawarma just the way you are seeing. Then once I'm done, I will place it into my fry pan. You can use toaster, but I'm going to be making use of my fry pan. Okay. So you can see how I place it into my fry pan. So I'm going to toast both sides of the shawarma. So at this point, I just flip it over. Be active so that it will not get burnt. Okay. So once I'm done with the bread, once I'm done toasting the shawarma, just the way you are seeing, guys, we are just going to enjoy our shawarma. Guys, and this was so yummy. What will you be enjoying this with? Is it freshly homemade juice, or you just buy some juice and enjoy it with? I enjoy mine with cold Coke. And it was so yummy. Guys, look at that. Look how yummy this shawarma is looking, and it was so delicious. So thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like and share. So guys, I'm going to be seeing you in my next one. Bye for now. Bye guys.